Hello friends, Saurav this side your host and welcome to our channel Explore Your Property. Today we are going to show you an pre-launched project known as Ace Starlet. Ace Group has already delivered two projects known as Ace Golfshire and Ace Parkway in sector 150 itself. Now they are coming up with a super luxury segment project known as Ace Starlet. Right now, if you can see, we are at the roundabout and entry of sector 150, and from here we are taking you to the site where a Starlet will be built. So let's go and I will be telling you about the project. It's in pre-launch stage and RERA is about to come, but it's going to be the most super luxury project of Noida when it is ready and built up. All that I will be explaining you. And if I tell you about little bit about Ace Group, it's a very old group, very cash rich group, and if you compare it with any builder right now in Noida, so there is no comparison. We can say that Ace Group is the best group right now in Noida because they are giving deliveries of their project on time. Construction quality is very good, and they have started with affordable segment, then they moved to luxury segment, and now they are coming to super luxury segment, which we are going to show you right now. The building you are seeing in front of you is Nehru Place Extension. NPX is also called. It's an landmark you can count on while traveling and while locating the site. So right now we are traveling parallel to the expressway and towards Delhi. We are coming from sector 150, and on the left our site will be there where Starlet is coming up, just beside this NPX building, which we are going to show you right now. It's the building of Starlet is not even started yet, but it's in pre-launch stage, and if you are an end user or an investor, it is very good location as well as very good project to invest in. So as you can see on your left, the land parcel is started and work has already started, and all these hoardings and all that is coming up right now right here on the site. This is the site, and it will be facing, the view will be of Noida Greater Noida Expressway, which is one of the most beautiful full view. So now we are at the site. You can see the metro station in just front of the site. It's located in sector 150, a Starlet, and the total land parcel on which it will be built right now is somewhere around 7.5 acres, and only 5 towers are being built up on that. The adjoining sector is an ITS sector, so there will be no high rises on front either, and on the right of you it's a two-side open property, and the work is about to start. RERA have been applied, and after it's coming up it will start, and it will be going to be one of the best project in Noida. Why? That is a big question, so I will be explaining you all that thing why it will be. So it will be the first project in Delhi NCR with 60% glass facade in front, so the view will be very nice of the building, of the facade. And if I talk about the land parcel, it is 7.5 acres in which 5 towers are coming up. So guys, for an example, I am showing you this flat. This is a sample flat of Ace Parkway, which is of luxury segment, and in Ace Starlet you will be getting a super luxury segment flat. So right now I am showing you this, and I will be explaining you for the Ace Starlet. If you talk about the social infrastructure, which is very well developed already, let's talk about some unique feature about Ace Starlet, which will be, as I told you, you will be having a unique glass facade towers with a very good view. Every flat will be 3-side open, and the entrance lobby will be double heighted. There will be no first floor. Ground floor and first floor will be included in the lift lobby or entrance lobby, you can say, and it will be having very much so many recreational activities such as your sitting area, your TT table, your pool table, your snooker table, and many things. the facilities you will be getting in the club will be separate and these will be separate. Then you will be having a very good low density development with only 5 towers, which I told, and it is spread across 7 acres of land. So the FAR will be very less, the population of the society will be very less. The total number of flats will be only 542 in 5 towers in a land parcel of 7.5 acres. As you can see in this picture, this will be your 3 BHK bedroom, and it will be having both the glass facades, which will give you a very beautiful view of the skyline of Noida as well of the expressway. All your commercial needs will be fulfilled inside the property because there will be 34 retail hubs inside the compound of your society. Let's talk about recreational activities. You will be having a jacuzzi of swimming pool size, and which is one of its kind in any project right now. Then you will be having some courts like Palm Court, Forest Trail, Reflexology Park. Then there will be Hibiscus Garden, Senior Citizen Garden. Let's talk about now the area of your clubhouse, which will be 35,000 square feet. And as I told you, there will be more recreational activity in every tower, in ground floor and first floor. So if you take it totally, it will be somewhere around 50,000 square feet for your activities. So guys, now let's talk about the sizes of the flat and the things you will be getting in the flat. There will be two type of inventories, 2 BHK and 3 BHK, both of them having two different types. 2 BHK have two types and 3 BHK have two types, in which the layout will be bit different. In every flat you will be getting Italian flooring, Italian marble you will be getting in the both living and common area, in your kitchen, in your passage. Then you will be having your wooden flooring in every bedroom, and your bedroom will be having glass facade as I told you earlier. So it will be very luxury, and the thing you are seeing right now is luxury, but you will be getting super luxury. So guys, now let's talk about the payment plan you will be getting. Right now it's in pre-launch stage as I told earlier. So you just have to book your inventory by giving a check of 2 lakh rupees, which is for very short duration for next 1 or 2 week, and after its launching the prices will be revised. As you know, every builder does that. So right now you have to book your flat by just providing a check of 2 lakh rupees, and after that your payment plan will start, which will be 20 right now within 45 days of booking, 30 at the middle of the structure, 30 at the fitments when the fitment will start, and 20 at the time of possession. So guys, the rate will be 6100 rupees per square feet, and by an example I will describe why you should invest right now in it if you are an investor or an end user. The rate they have right now of Ace Parkway is somewhere around 7400 rupees per square feet, and it was launched somewhere around 4400, so 3000 rupees increased in last few years. Same will happen here. You can exit if you are an investor in middle, or if you are an end user you can get it at a very minimum rate, as it will be a super luxury unit. For any other further query you can call us. For more understanding, I will be providing both the links of Sector 150 overview and Ace Parkway in the description, so that you can have a good idea. Thanks for your time guys. Thank you very much.